Alright, we ready?
How's it going, guys? I'm here with my friends Ryu and Jigsaw, and today we're going to be playing White Noise Online. So, we're going to get this started. Let's go, Ryu. That's pretty cool. How'd you get the...
I don't know, I just suddenly had him.
Oh, it might be because you found it.
That's cool.
Cool. Again, I am questioning why we're following you.
I just started walking. Although you're smart to question it. My character has mine.
He really does look like a douchier version of Freddy mixed with Shaggy. I'm just saying.
No,
Nothing personal, bro.
Look away. Look away right now.
Looking away.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the one who killed himself on that statue earlier. Cave. Always a safe plan. Oh gee, why?
Oh, not very.
What is with these hell statues?
We should come up with our own backstory as to what happened. the three idiotic kids were gonna have a party and then they got lost.
On a tropical
somehow.
island in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah, well, the last one was like a church. It's like the same thing, except this one has palm trees, and the other one had like a church.
Yeah, it's not very... They clearly use the same, like, stuff to make the levels. Like, you'll see those same statues in, like, every single level, basically. Come on, one of these windmill things need to frickin' have a recorder near it. Aha!
Yeah, really. That was fun to say.
Got it!
It happens. It starts.
Call this dude with blue hair and face paint. He clearly knows what he's doing. Okay, hands out of the ground. Always good signs. Oh!
Oh, shit! Yeah.
I hear it. Where's oh my gosh!
Wait, how do I click? Oh.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Time to go. Creatures right nearby. I see a fence over here. Let's follow it. It looks like a path. Yeah, he's not one that you need to. He really shouldn't be a creature that you don't see coming. Let's just, I think we can all agree on that. Oh god, this is the island of Budasar. I was just sitting here looking out at the water. This creature holds in on us. Fun.
Can you like go out to water or something? I doubt you.
Yeah, no. Oh, I don't want to be stuck again.
He's stalking us like the prey that we are.
Oh my god! He's behind us. He's behind us.
Well, that's why we're not going that way.
Knew he would be there.
Oh, I see statue thingies.
Yeah, these are the other statues.
Yeah, I thought they're in the other level. And there's a recorder.
The area.
These are some weird ass
Completely misplaced on a tropical island, I might add.
I'm gonna save my flash. I'm gonna follow the speed.
statues. I don't think it works like that. I think everybody's flashlight starts to dim later on, doesn't it?
It's either based on how far you go or how long you've had it on. I don't like to play with you.
Ah, fuck.
Didn't we go through here already? Did we like seriously go in a
Yes,
circle?
we did.
Or is there more than one cave like this? The other end doesn't
Ah,
look quite
fuck.
the same.
hey.
Let's go this way.
And of course, on the other side.
Where are you?
Nothing. I'm in the back.
Oh, there's something. Oh, there's something over here.
Another church-like structure. This reminds me of the time I was in a haunted house, and then like I was in the middle, and then everybody behind me was like, "Screw this!" When they saw this girl like crawling on the floor, and then I was like behind in the back, and then she was like stalking me, and I was like, "Oh my god!" So it was a long time ago. It was the best horror.
Worst road sign ever, might I add.
I know, really.
There's not. It's over there by those trees. It's like they're just random arrows pointing in every direction, and they don't even have words on them to tell you what they're pointing at.
And they're not. And then they're not even on the road.
Here, I think we're walking towards them.
I don't know if we can use the direction the growls are coming from as an indicator, because so far I've heard him like a lot of times like directly in front of me, but I don't actually see him directly in front of me.
Bro, his voice.
Oh shit, that would be terrifying. Something that wants to kill you but can throw its foot. Alright, we're going in circles. This is exactly what we've been to before. Let's turn around and go the other way.
Yeah, the guy with the blue hair, the face paint, has been leading us in circles.
Hey, at least we've got some recordings. We followed you, we'd have stepped right into Hell's statue. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh shit! He's right behind us.
Son of a bitch! Don't follow the blonde dude! I hear a recording!
Alright,
I see it!
Why can't I get up? Get up.
I don't know, I'm stuck!
I'm stuck too, I think.
Palm tree, and then I just get, and then
Oh, here it is. Got it.
Good, just keep going. This is hitting the fan faster than I hoped it would.
Oh, nooses. That's never a good sign.
Oh, no. We've only got like, oh my god. We should be further than this.
He's like breathing down my neck.
Oh, he's over there behind those rocks.
I'm not looking.
What happens if he's scared?
What do you think?
He'll rape you. He'll be like, I don't like it when people look at me.
Dude, I hear him. He is so close to me. Oh, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
Next. I can
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Oh,
wow, he like
I'm
pulls.
not next.
He like pulls you or something.